great leader, something comes up, they don't do so well. So that really got people thinking about this whole leader and management thing that are going on here. So I'm going to ask you that question. We've got a polling question here coming up, which kind of has three components. I'll ask you the question and then share it with you. And so in your own opinion, do you think leaders are born, or are they made, or is it a little of both? So let's see here. Okay, we're getting voting fast on this one. That's good. Just about done here. Okay, well, the predominant here and answer is that a few of you think leaders are born. About 12% think leaders are made, but the vast majority of you, 85%, think that they're born and made. And that's certainly my bias, particularly as we go through the content today, is that you can bring out the characteristics of both leadership and management if you know what you're looking for. And that gets me to really one of the key takeaways here, and I will point out the key takeaways with each one of these slides as we go through them here, is that your intuitions that you have about leadership and management are a lot of times based on what I call unconscious competence. That is, well, you kind of have an idea what the difference between a leader and manager is, or what you might have to do to get a person to be a better leader, a better manager, but you're not quite sure exactly what the behavior should be, or what experiences, what kinds of assignments they should have to get there. And so what we want to do today is take you from that standpoint of unconscious competence and make it conscious competence, so that you know exactly what the difference is, exactly what the behaviors are, what programs you need to do for this person, what assignments you need to do for that person, what kind of group activities you need to do over here, what kinds of organizational processes you need to put in place over there. So really taking it, making it conscious competence, turning those intuitions into practical, executable action